Horses in. Horses out, the best asset. Pass to begin. Symphony moving a party outside. Forest Marshall together with Daredevil. Then followed over by number 6, Tidal Maaliwalas. Hurricane Ali, second last. And Unica Champ is the early trailer. We have Forest Marshall by about 3/4 of a length. Right behind him, second is Daredevil, best asset. Symphony is racing in 4, then followed by Tidal. Racing in 6 now, Grand Homer. Then comes Maaliwalas, Hurricane Nally, and Unica Champ now racing in less. And it's now Daredevil by about 3 lengths. Symphony now moving up to take second. Then on the outside, third, Tidal. Forest Marshall drives back in 4, then followed by Best Asset Maaliwalas, Grand Homer, Hurricane Nally, and Unica Champa is still racing in last. And still there, Devil by about 3 lengths. Symphony still in second, Tidal in third, Maaliwalas now coming closer in 4th, down on the inside, Forest Marshall, Hurricane Nally, Grand Homer, Unica Champa, and still there, Devil by about 2.5 lengths. Symphony in second, and in third, Hurricane Alley. But it's still Daredevil by about 3 lengths. Symphony, Hurricane Alley, Maaliwalas. Daredevil still in front by about 3 lengths. Moving up, Hurricane Alley, Symphony, entering the finish line. It's Daredevil. Second, Hurricane Alley. Then comes Symphony, Best Asset, Maaliwalas, Grand Homer.
97415. 9